35.5-acre mega office in the city of Surat has just surpassed the US Pentagon to become the largest office building in the world. Surat Diamond Bourse unifies the exclusive diamond community and their activities of cutting, polishing, and trading of mined diamonds. Is the massive office worth Rs 3,200 crore really worth the money? What secrets lie inside this sprawling 15-story complex? Watch till the end as we uncover each layer of this massive walls. Emerging within the business district of Diamond Research and Mercantile City in Khajod village, the Surat Diamond Bourse is in fact a city within a city. Indian architectural firm Morphogenesis started this massive project in 2015 and completed the construction by 2022. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi inaugurated SDB on 17th December 2023. But why Surat was selected as the prime location for the Bourse? Surat was known to be the global hub for diamond cutting, with more than 80% of diamonds getting cut and polished here. Since the 1990s, Surat has been the heart of the diamond trader community. Can any other city match Surat's sparkling legacy? Sadly, in October 2023, the value of exports of cut and polished diamonds fell by 32% in a year. This serves as a wake-up call to address the global situation and restore lost brilliance. Meanwhile, Mumbai is said to be the trading hub of diamonds. In fact, a lot of Mumbai's diamonds actually come from Surat, which takes over 6 hours of transport. Hence, the move to Surat was of utmost importance to outshine Mumbai's Bharat Diamond Bourse to become the new jewel in India's diamond crown. Designing the world's largest commercial building comes with the responsibility of achieving exceptional efficient design and spatial planning. Navigating 67,000 professionals within 4,717 independent offices through high security premises is no easy task considering its monumentality. To address this issue, walkable corridors connect all floors vertically and horizontally. The design of Surat Diamond Bourse allocates large office spaces for large-scale traders, while small-scale traders use informal courtyard spaces to work flexibly. The main intent was to empower the world's largest community of diamond traders by equipping them with the skills and space to flourish. To achieve this, it was important to address their story, lifestyle, and business practices. This led the design team at Morphogenesis to conduct detailed case studies on how the community interacted and worked in both formal and informal settings. The design of SBD strives to create a more humane and intimate atmosphere despite its massive scale. The characteristic free-flowing walls extend from a central spine interspersed with shaded courtyards, breakout spaces, and atria. The courtyards also support the lifestyle of the traders, including recreation and open trading, similar to a traditional Indian bazaar. From the central axis, 9 15-story office towers diverge. Oriented in the north-south direction, it provides screening from the harsh western sun and fills about 75% of the workspaces with diffused light throughout the day, drastically reducing the dependence on artificial lighting. Through such low-tech passive technologies, the Surat Diamond Bourse is a pre-certified green building with a platinum rating from the Indian Green Building Council, establishing new sustainability benchmarks within the hot and humid climatic context of Surat. The vibrant red color was a result of a desire to source our materials from within a limited radius. Locally sourced Lakh red granite and Gwalior white sandstone obtained within 300 kilometers were used with minimal waste. The concept behind the landscape design revolves around the Panchatattva, which states that the balance of 5 elements brings peace, prosperity, happiness, and success. The space integrates elements of nature, wind spinners for air, a tranquil water body for water, fiery shrubs for fire, inspiring trees for earth, and a geodesic dome for sky. It covers 30% of the built area, thus enhancing indoor air quality. The atria incorporate green lungs that foster a pleasant microclimate within without any mechanical cooling. Surat is now one of the fastest growing cities in India, with SDB getting ready to bring our country to new heights. It was enhance the efficiency of imports and exports of diamonds from India while providing efficient trading and state-of-the-art infrastructure for the manufacturers. The construction of the project has also aided the establishment of new social infrastructure like schools and hospitals. Surat Diamond Bourse is symbolic of the city's progress and rapid economic growth. It is setting a mark of a modern India in terms of diamond, gems, and jewelry market in the world. What do you think the future holds for this diamond hub? Comment below your thoughts. Hope you enjoyed this video. For more such breathtaking projects, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Architect's Diary. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment.